Hi, it's now January 12th, 2023. We moved in on December 1st, and we've been here a little month and a half, and finally getting around to building an office upstairs, office and a bathroom upstairs. So today, starting today, we'll try to have a video of once a week of the progress being made to get this office and bathroom made. This is the area, let's see if I can back up a little bit, where the bathroom will be. Obviously that's the door coming from downstairs, and we'll start with getting the bathroom made, and then we'll work on from there. Presently the house was already pre-plumbed. It's hard to see right now, but right over here we have a 3-inch waistline for the drain coming up, and a hot and cold water supply coming up. So that's where we'll make all our connections. So basically the toilet must be within these two joists over here, and because we can't cut through a 2x10 with such a large diameter drain pipe. One of the first things I started this already because I was curious what was going on. We have a chase, an empty space under here. I cut the floor, and this, you can't really see it too well, but this goes down all the way to the basement, and it extends a little bit past up to here, and the heating ducts will be coming up through this part of the house to supply this office and the bathroom. So today we're going to build the walls, start building the walls, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, it's the next day. I forgot to do recording while I was doing this yesterday, but let's see if we can zoom in here. You can take a look over there. That black cap, right, see, where's my, that black cap right there is covering the 3-inch pipe coming up from the basement, and obviously there's a hot and a cold, so the 3-inch is going to run along here. The toilet will be roughly in this spot here. There'll be a Y here leading out to the shower drain, and I still have to figure out someplace right around here there'll be a drain for the sink. I also built the 2 side walls. They're not in place, but there's one here, side wall, and the other one is over there. And right now I'm going to try to figure out where the side wall goes exactly, because the drain will go in between these 2 joists here, and in order to get to connecting the drain to the shower pan, I'll probably have to cut a hole in the ceiling downstairs. So it's the only way I can see connecting it. But I'll be drilling holes through all of these joists for the 2-inch pipe, and it needs to have a 1/4-inch drop for every foot. Same thing goes for the main drain. Alright, I got the drain in. The drain will, I've got my shadows here, the vent will come out here and come up outside the wall, outside the 2x4 over here. And the drain it's a slope of 1/4 inch per foot, so it worked out pretty good. It'll connect shadows. It'll connect to the main here, and then from this end it'll go over to the sink. Obviously that'll connect to the toilet, which will connect all the way down to the drain. Okay, it's the end of the day. I'm going to have a vent coming up here. This will be outside the bathroom in the attic space, and that's still where the drain will eventually go. That's the toilet. The 3-inch continues on to the sink, which I'll work on tomorrow. This is the shower. There's the trap for the shower, and over here will be the vent coming up outside the bathroom. This will be a access space for heating ducts and other things, and there's a clean out on that end. It won't be impossible to get to, but if we ever had to clean out, we can get to it. Okay, it's the next day. Yesterday what I managed to accomplish was had to change the vent system that's going to go out the roof. Obviously I didn't drill a hole yet. I want to get it approved before I make any mistakes. But the vent, this is the vent for the shower, that's the shower drain. And it goes across the whole top, comes down and meets up here, which is the vent for the toilet. I'm not sure if I showed this yesterday. This is the far one is the drain for the shower, and this will be the drain for the sink. Today what I'm going to work on is connecting this 3-inch pipe over to the over to the 3-inch PVC with the black cap on. Thinking we're going to have to cut that down pretty far to get that elbow on there to make it connect with this piece here. Oh, the other thing, I finished this wall. This is the wall which will have the plumbing for the shower. And I guess that's about it. I'll have to check the videos, but I think I had the video of all the floor open. It's not nailed down, it's just laid in place. Make it easy to work. I don't have to worry about falling in the hole. Today I managed to get this elbow in to the pipe that was coming up from the attic. I had to cut it down in the kitchen, bring the pipe down, and to get the 1/4 inch drop for every foot of length of pipe. So I'll have to put a 3-inch piece from there over to there. And then basically that's the vent going up. That should do it, but I'm going to leave the cap on there for now. The sewer gases don't come up.